Hiar pet benya Menteri Rangba Konrad ke Sangma ye kijaka bapaunam na kajingdon kijingking jeri Nongblai Wahkhen bat hakilhu keshnong Wahlyngkhat hapin ursla civil subdivision haga khat nyau terik ujemang ban Pynroi bat kenti wiki kam jingok kai perthai hagani kathan Nongblai keshnong kabadon hatrai riat bat halhu kishnong Wahlyngkhat bat lingkerdem Kapaunam ha naga jingnang jeng kibriu kini kesnong ban penek pensan ye jingking jeri living root bridges kibagi penun kam ban kam bat jam na Shillong jeng ki wadut kibadon ha kini kalho kawa reu kabami haranap lom Shillong kesnong pomlom bat mau kajem kalong kawa kabahe bat kabe internet haduk kata-kata Kawa reu kalum ye ki ne ki wadut ne ki lho Wahkhen khat arsnong bat na lho lat ring au kakela kawa ba anda kapoi shikiriat jang kesnong majai bat kasano bak shiki pentha ka Bangladesh. Menteri Rangba akan kesngiu lalit jingo dalaki jongki khmat bat hiar bat kiu thip dalaki jongki kejat ban yokmat ye kejingbe kil air batisi haki ranap karyat Nongblai. Ulai thuru ke Sorkar Meghalaya kan Pynroi bat pen internet ikisnong ki bakentup ya ka mau kernot rang theliang Menring ban penlong yeki kejaka yat kejat lani ke tracking destination nak kebenta ke nongwan jengok kai perthai nak ki wei pat Khuborjylla kari India bat nak ki wei pat kiri ke perthai Kashnong Wahkhen kan yo e kejaka sa pengat kiriu e jingput jingtem namar kini kashnong kapaunam nak jingdon ki kenhon nong put nong tem bat nong sha tenrai shinrang bat kenthai lai thu Menteri Rangba kini kesngi Kinong di sok phe sok manir sok ping bat kikat babunjat ki di hasilenter ke surok Shillong pen ursla dauki haga khat nyau terik kila kenti da kajing kemen namar barok ki ofisar ki pulet bat kinong bot jong Menteri Rangba kira thiet pahu i kisok na kini kidukan Menteri Rangba ula kentu ya barok ban thiet pahu bat ra shalaying lasem
So we are here now in this beautiful sacred groves in the right Nongblai area, and it is more dense than any other sacred grove that I have seen. It's a great experience, and really the way the local people here have preserved the entire forest area, maintained it, is something that is really admirable. And we have come here to see how we can promote this entire area. As I was mentioning earlier, that we'll be putting up the experiential center for the living root bridges, which is just right above this particular sacred grove. And this entire area will be promoted from the tourism point of view while maintaining the overall sanctity as well as the forest cover of this area, so that the sentiments of the local people are always kept in mind, while the experience for the tourists also is something special which they will not get anywhere in the world. So, should we go back? You go back.